Have you ever wondered how crypto exchanges really work? How do you buy or sell Bitcoin or Ethereum in the exchanges? Let's break it down simply in just a few minutes. What is crypto exchange? A crypto exchange is a digital platform that lets users buy, sell, or trade cryptocurrencies. Just like a stock exchange connects buyers and sellers of shares, crypto exchanges do the same, but with digital assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. How it works? When you place an order to buy, the exchange matches it with someone who wants to sell at that price. This is called order matching. Most exchanges use an order book system where all buy and sell orders are listed and executed automatically. For example, you want to buy one Bitcoin at $60,000. If someone is selling at that price, your trade happens instantly. There are two types of exchanges: centralized, CEX like Binance and Coinbase, where a company manages the platform, and decentralized, DEX like Uniswap, where trades happen directly between users using smart contracts. Exchanges earn through trading fees, usually a small percentage per trade. They also make money from withdrawals, listings, and premium features like staking or margin trading. So that's how crypto exchanges work: fast, automated, and powerful. But always do your own research before using any platform. If this helped, like and subscribe for more crypto content.